getting a lot of questions about the Molle panels. Guys, these Molle panels I have up for sale on the website at echelondesignworks.com. We've got two different versions here for the back. This one's got the cutout in it, so you can actually open this door here. I got a bunch of junk in there now, but this is the old CD changer box. So I took the changer out, I got some other stuff stored in there, and this allows you to open it, and it also allows you to put stuff up in there and then still hook stuff on this side. So go back a bunch of my videos and you'll see how I created this window. Then you have all this access from this side as well. So I keep all my immediate need stuff in here: first aid kit, bug spray, toe strap, that kind of stuff. So I got 4 episodes actually on the whole design of this, and I'm still trying to figure out a way, guys, to sell this as a kit. It's a compound curve panel. It's, you know, it's pretty tough to make, and I'm still working on it. Going inside here, which is a total mess. I didn't talk about this yet at all, but we'll have a YouTube video coming up on this. This big 10.1 touchscreen. We got a dash cam that runs all the time, and then basically stock interior except for the Molle panels. So I got these panels that we made, which hold different Molle bags and stuff. There's one on the back. The girls took the bag off. I think there's one on the other side. And then of course I got my access door here. And so this has my Molle panel. This is available now on my website, these panels. Holds all your gear. This is a standard military grid pattern. So all of these bags you can buy off of Amazon are available with that grid pattern. I keep all my stuff in here. You can strap stuff down. So they're pretty handy. It screws in some stock screw locations. Right here, this is a stock screw location. I've got the little hooky thing on there, and then a couple of screws up there, and they seem to be holding up just fine. Check out my website. Check out Apparel Design Works on YouTube. Apparel Design Works and Echelon Design Works on Instagram. And start picking up some of these panels. So let me show you this one in here. So this is how these bags work. So you can hook all kinds of stuff onto these panels. So right now Gavin's got some different gear. Alright guys, I thought I'd show you some still shots here of the panels installed. These are the actual metal ones installed here, and then we're going to get into the prototypes. I know some of you guys really like seeing how I develop this stuff, so these are some wood prototypes I started with. Just took some basic measurements, cut these out in wood with the laser, and then you can see all my little marker marks all over these where I was making changes to the size, the curves. Trying to get everything matched up real nice to the WJ. Then I went in to start cutting plastic, still made more changes, and then eventually the rear ones we cut out of 11 gauge steel and had them powder coated, and then the front ones we cut in-house out of this HPE plastic. It's really nice durable plastic. There's it mounted on the rear door. This is the front door here with my my mag light on there. And these bags you guys can pick up from anywhere. Amazon has a whole bunch of different ones, different sizes, different configurations, the way they zipper on the top, zipper on the side, zipper, you know, different ways. So that's the front console one there. You can have your gun strapped on there, whatever you want. We got a bunch in stock all the time, and we just got a whole bunch of rear ones back from the powder coater with the wrinkle finish. They look awesome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. All that helps with the algorithms with YouTube. And come back and check us out again. Thank you.